Okay. You want real food, is it? Okay, understand. Okay, but now mommy don't have money. Okay, you understand. You understand as well? Okay. You. Oh, shush. What are you trying to say? Why? Where is your friend? Okay, you go inside and sleep lah. Go sleep, go sleep. Go sleep. You don't want to sleep? Sleep, Panther. Stop roaming around. It's raining. Go sleep.